Get ready to uncover the secret of how oysters turn tiny troubles into shimmering treasures. When a tiny irritant, like a grain of sand, sneaks into an oyster shell, the oyster gets to work. It starts coating the intruder with a shiny substance called nacre, also known as mother of pearl. Layer by layer, the oyster adds more nacre, slowly turning the irritant into a smooth, gleaming pearl. This magical process takes years, but the result? A gem that's worth its weight in gold. So next time you see a pearl, remember, it's nature's way of turning a nuisance into a thing of beauty. Like and subscribe for more amazing nature facts.